name is Evelyn, and this is my part 2 of Cybersecurity Awareness Chatbot project. In this video, I will explain my code step by step and demonstrate the running application. The project is GUI-based chatbot that educates South African citizens about cybersecurity threats, including phishing, password safety scam, and online privacy. Let me start by showing my GitHub repository. I have multiple commits with meaningful messages and release tag v2.0. My project contains 4 main files: Form1.cs for the graphical user interface, Chatbot.cs for the bot logical and responses, VoiceGreeting.cs for audio playback, and Program.cs as application entry point. The application uses Windows Form with a black background and cyan text for a professional terminal-like appearance. Now let me explain Program.cs first. This is the entry point of my application. The ASCII thread attribute is required for Windows Form. The main method enables visual style for modern looking button and running form, which is the main Windows. This is the standard structure for Windows Form application. Next is VoiceGreeting.cs, which handle the voice greeting when the program starts the voice playing. Greeting method use the try catch block for error handling, so if anything goes wrong, the program will not crash. Inside, I have an array of possible paths where the audio file might be located. The program checks each part until it finds the greeting.wave file. Once found, it creates a sound play object and call playSync, which play the audio and wait for it to finish to continue. If no audio file is found, it will keep sound as a fallback. If an error occurs, it's silently fail, and the program continues normally. Now, let me explain Form1.cs, which created a graphic user interface in the constructor. I first set the Windows property, the title size of 90 and 906 pixel, black background color, fixed border, so the user cannot resize it, and center screen start position. The create control method creates all the visual element. The chat display is rich text bar with the black background cyan text. The console phone is read only, so the user cannot type there. The user input box is text box with dark gray background is white text, and it has key press. The send button, the play voice, the clear button, and the ready button. And now we're going to Chatbot.cs, which is the brain of my application. In this constructor, I initialize the random object and create a dictionary with string compare, ordinal, ignore case, so that keyword matching in case it's sensitive. Yeah, I have topics for password safety, phishing scam, South African scam, online privacy, safe browsing, two-factor authentication, social engineering, help, command, and general greeting. So if the user inputs contain that keyword, it does 3 things. 1, it stores that keyword as a user interest for memory purpose. 2, it calls the get random response to pick a random response from that topic list. 3, it personalizes the response by adding the username and begin occasionally. Then it returns to the response. Yeah. So now we will try to run
Hello,
the
welcome
code.
to Cybersecurity Awareness Chatbot. I'm here to help you stay safe online in South Africa.
Yeah, this is the entry point. So this is show how the bot react when I run for the first time. Now I will try my name, writing Evelyn. Yeah, it responds to me. And now we type password. The bot gives the detailed password tip, and I will also type password again. Hold on. Yes. Password again. Yeah, entry. Yeah. And now I will also type phishing. I mean, tell me more. Yeah. The bot gives me more tips about password because it remember I was interested in password. Now we type phishing. Yeah. The bot explained what phishing is and how to spot fake emails. And now I will type I'm worried about online scams. The bot responds with empathy. I understand your concern and share cybersecurity tips. Now we tap help. Okay, now we finish by typing something incorrect. And now we tap exit. This completes my part 2 demonstration to summarize my chatbot as GUI Design with black and cyan theme, voice greeting with CSCII art, keyword recognizing for multiple cybersecurity topics, random response for variety, memory that remember the username and interests, conversation flow with tell me more, sentiment detection that responds to emotion, and error handling for unknown inputs. All of this is represented in a graphical user interface with professional color and smooth user interaction. Thank you for watching. This is the end of my part 2 submission.